In this video, we're going to take a look at the Bulin camping cookware set. This camping is set for up to 4 people, fits into absolutely any backpack, and includes 2 pots, 1 pan, 1 kettle, and many more things, a total of 37 accessories. All the pots are stainless steel and non-stick. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So if you're camping, hiking, traveling, and you have a family or more than 2 people, you need some stuff to cook your food in. This is definitely something you may want to consider. Now, this is not the best, but this is pretty good for the price. This is the Bulin camping cook set for 4 people, 3 to 4 people, BL200 C8N. It comes with absolutely everything you need. It's got a water jug. By the way, everything is collapsible and will fit in here. Now, there are 37 accessories in here. There you go. Everything fits in this little bag here. This is the pouch for it, so it's kind of like a water resistant pouch for it as well. And you have like a wooden mixer. All right, so you go glamping, camping, hiking, whatever it is that you want to do. This is one of those things that you probably want to take with you. And when I say take with you, I mean it all fits into this bag right here. Light enough to take absolutely anywhere, including traveling abroad, right? If you go into some jungle out there, you can pack this up with you and you have an entire set for hiking. Now, this will feed a family or 4 or a bunch of friends up to 4 people. When I say 4 is because there's 4 of everything. So this is for your cutlery. So they're like little storage bags, so you can hang them on trees or whatever so they don't get dirty as you're eating. This entire jug, it holds 10 liters of water. The cool thing about this is this little nozzle. This will release the water. Very cool little thing, and it's made of pretty high quality materials. Of course, you can get better quality and even lighter stuff, but not for this price. This is made by a company called Bulin. The model number is BL200C8N. The other ones basically have more or less of these things. This is the ideal setup for me. And I like the fact that it comes with a cooler bag, like a thermal bag, so that way if you cook something, you can actually store it in here, just temporarily at least, hang it, put it on a tree or something. So let's go over what you get. You get one big lid, and also keep an eye on how this is all stored because it's pretty brilliant and you're gonna have to store it the same way. The dishes are upside down, stainless steel, pretty light. Well, why would you need anything heavy anyways? And you have 4 of them. Now, if you're expecting giant dishes, you're not supposed to eat giant meals anyways when your camp is in there, but this kind of goes here. Then you get this smaller lid, right? And then you get one piece for your kettle. Now inside the kettle, this is a little scrubbing pad. You get those at a dollar store. You also have these, and they even gave you a knife. Now all of this stuff is made of stainless steel, and see how cool and foldable it is? Like, these are pretty big spoons. You can eat off of this, of course, and then when you're done or not done, you can put these in here and you place this in, so that way they don't get dirty as you're eating. You also get a fork, just the way they, you gotta press this in to lock it in place. All right, so you slide this little top over top so then it won't bend, right? So this is your fork, and then this is your knife. So same thing, you take this little thing and you slide it over the top part, like that. And then this isn't like a regular butter knife. Oh no, this is actually pretty sharp, and it's thick enough where you can resharpen it. See? It actually cuts. And then when you're done, you just retract this, and then it folds. See that? But of course, you can place all 3 in one. So as I said, you get 4 sets, and then a ladle, right? Again, foldable, so you can go and take whatever it is that you want out and scoop it. Very cool as well. Your drinking cups have these rubbery grips, so if it's hot, you're not gonna burn yourself. They're not huge by any means, but again, big enough to have a nice sized coffee or tea in the morning, or a beverage, and again, they're stainless steel, so they're not gonna break. Again, this is so you don't get burnt. It goes wraps around the base. And of course, you get your little kettle with the lid, which you can of course pour tea or coffee on. And then you get your 2 pots and 1 pan. Now this becomes your handle, right? And then you got your pots, and these also have a handle on both. And of course, this one does as well. So big pot, small pot, pan. Now the coating is non-stick, but because this is non-toxic, they don't use the chemicals that all the other brands like Teflon use. But in any case, this is all that you get for a very nominal price. The best part about all this is that it's absolutely everything. It's not just pots, it's not just pans, it's not just utensils. It's absolutely everything that you would possibly require to go on a hike, either by yourself, with your friends, and it all fits into one little bag. So let's put this all back in. So we're gonna just fold all this up. Remember, pan, big pot, small pot, tea kettle, drinking cups go inside the tea kettle, pad as well, the ladle, retract it, and then it folds. Now all our cutlery, again, that gets all stored. Kettle lid, small lid, plates, big lid, and there you are. Now one thing that you're also going to notice is that the edges are nice and smooth. They're not sharp, all of them. So it's even safe for kids to touch in the campsite. It looks good. It's made of galvanized steel. I mean, it does look good, I'm not going to lie. And it's not that heavy. Now we'll put this in the bag, right over here. Got our utensil holders that you can, by the way, hang off a tree or something, so they're not in the way. Zip this up, and we're done. Now if you want to take a pot and you already have it ready, like I said, you can stick it in here, and then you can carry this, or you can keep your water in this bowl, and then you have two. And there it is. Nice and portable. So that's the video. In conclusion, if you're looking for something super ultra lightweight, very decent, a complete kit that you can take with your family, hiking, boating, to the beach, this is definitely it. You just got to couple up with a little portable grill and you're good to go. We do have a video for that as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.